Hello everybody, let's open SketchBook Free Edition. Choose Color Builder from Basic. 然后在基本下面选择颜色生成器。Modify the size to 250. Choose Navy Blue from the bottom right. 在右下面选择海军蓝色。Draw as you wish. 你随便画。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在最下面新建一个图层。Switch to the bottom second grayish blue. 选择右侧下面的第二个灰蓝色。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在最下面新建一个图层。Switch to blue color B37. 换成蓝色 B37. These blue colors represent something you have to do, like your duties, families, and career, etc. Switch to blue color B97. 换成蓝色 B97. 这些蓝色代表了你不得不做的事情，比如你的责任、家庭、工作这些。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在最下面新建一个图层。Switch to pink color RV25. 选择粉色 RV25. The pink colors represent something you like to do. 在最下面新建一个图层。Switch to pink color RV21. 选择粉色 RV21. 这些粉色代表了你喜欢做的事情。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在最下面新建一个图层。Choose yellow color Y21. 选择黄色 Y21. Yellow is the reality you are facing. 黄色代表了你面对的现实。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在最下面新建一个图层。Switch to green color G21. 选择绿色 G21. Green is your hope or dream. 绿色代表了你的希望和梦想。You can adjust the layer orders to make them look better. 可以把图层的上下位置调整得更顺眼一点。Choose hair under artist. 选择艺术画笔下面的头发。Change the size to 250. 把大小变成250。Enable predictive stroke. 打开预测笔记。We break the lines on each of the layers to represent the struggle and frustration between reality and your dream. 我们把每个图层上面的线条都打破，这样体现在现实与梦想之间你内心的挣扎与痛苦。Create a new layer at the top. 在上面新建一个图层。Enable predictive stroke. 把预测笔记打开。Decrease the level to 1. 把级别降到1。Choose signature ink under texture essentials. 在纹理要素下面选择签名水笔。Decrease the size to 5. 把大小降到5。So out of mind with love. I lose my sleep at night. Can't touch her while it's day. Frustration is my sole friend. 曾虑多情损繁行，入山又恐别倾城。世间安得双全法？不负如来不负卿。